First, we start with priming. I do use this primerizer by SMASHBOX because my cheeks are super dry, so this helps to moisturize and prime. I then use the Angel Veil by NYX for my oily areas. I've tried many, the ebony color for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow, but it was too dark, so I used chocolate. For color correcting, I don't do it all the time. I mostly do it whenever I don't want to use too much foundation. This helps to not use as much. I love this Real Techniques brush. It's probably not a foundation brush, but it does the job well. And with this brush, I don't need to use too much foundation, and it applies it evenly everywhere. I only have to use about, I believe, 3 pumps. For concealers, I used to use the LA Pro Girl, but now I do use this brand, the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. For the price, it's really good compared to a lot of other high-end concealers. You get a lot for your buck, so I do strongly suggest this one, and the coverage is amazing. I just shape my eyebrows a little bit more before blending it all out, like that they're really more defined. So I'm only really using this because I'm too lazy to get up and wet my sponge, and this facial spray is good for your skin, so why not? It works. So yeah, you guys can always do this if ever you don't want to get up and you do have this facial spray with you. So I use this foundation stick whenever I feel like I brighten my face a little bit too much with concealer, just to get my color back. I don't always use it. This is a really good palette as well for contouring. So I use this to set all the areas that I brightened, and I do like applying it before doing my eyeshadow because if there was any fallout, at least I could just brush it off easily. Instead of using eyeshadow primer, I'm using the Makeup Forever base in brown. I would suggest, if whatever skin tone you are, just use something closer to your skin tone. tapping motion there. Now I can apply my eyeshadow a lot easier. So just blend that in the outer corner there. I just took my Sephora eyeshadow blending brush to blend everything in. Now for eyeliner, I use the Kat Von D one. I use this because I don't like when my eyeliner is gray after using it on eyeshadow, and this one doesn't. It stays black. Just mix both shades there of the eyeshadow together and just use that under the eye. And then I do use this for just like there where my eyelashes are, because I am missing some lashes, so this helps to hide that, and it is waterproof. This technique works for me whenever I'm applying lashes. It might not be ideal for everyone, but it is the technique that works for me while I struggle all the time. Now I'm just applying some mascara so it blends well. Using this loose powder from Maybelline for all the areas that I contoured. So I'm using this another Maybelline product to highlight, and I'm just blending it out because I don't want it to be too strong. Line my lips. This is like my favorite lip cream in the color Dubai. So I hope you guys like my video. I hope you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, turn your notification bell on. Like that, when I do post more, you guys are able to see it right away. As well as you can always follow me on Instagram at She's One in a Million. Thank you for watching.